This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Dave McGinnis. Move-in ready 3-bedroom 2-bath home with many updates including new roof and windows, new wiring under the house, new countertops, fresh paint inside and out, and new sewer line. This home with a fenced backyard is conveniently located in Fountain City, 1.5 miles from I-640 Interchange at Broadway. Nestled between two of Knoxville's beautiful public parks, you will not have to travel far to enjoy the outdoors. The sprawling 38-acre Adair Park is only 0.8 miles away and you are only 1.5 miles to the 7.5-acre Fountain City Park. If you are looking for low-maintenance living in an area near grocery stores, restaurants, and interstate access, this may be the place for you. For more information, review the details below or contact Dave McGinnis at 865-687-1111.